Good afternoon all. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് CS304 കമ്പൈലർ ഡിസൈനിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. This is the question. Draw the transition diagram for the regular definition. Draw the transition diagram for the regular definition relational operator, that is reloop, gives less than or equal to or equal to or not equal to or greater than. So before solving the question, we should see what are the different elements within a transition diagram. So the components of transition diagram, as we all know, components of transition diagram first one, positions in a transition diagram. Positions in a transition diagram are drawn as circles. Okay, these are called states. These are called states. Second one particular state known as start state. This state is basically used as a state where control resides when we begin to recognize a token. When we begin to recognize a token. And the next component, connections. Connections between states or connections among states are represented by means of arrows. That means we can connect from one state to another using arrows. And next component is accepting state. Accepting state is denoted by double circle. So this is actually used to indicate whether the given string is accepted or not. Okay. And one more character we are using, star character. It is used for the input retraction. So using these components, let us try to draw the given transition diagram. So the regular definition we are given is reloop gives less than or equal to, less than, not equal to, and greater than. Okay, so we can give the start state like this. Start state is indicated by like this, 0th. So first is either it will accept less than or equal to. Okay, less than or equal to. So I am indicating the state like this, less than or equal to. here it will return relational operator and less than or equal to. So these are the elements that may be related with the symbol table, as we all know that symbol table. Okay, it is a table which is used to store the symbols used in our program. Then not equal to, that may be given like this. This is second state, this is third state, that is return reloop not equal to. Here I have to mark less than only, so that will be given like this. So this is not equal to, and it is given as other. So I have already discussed a character like this, so it will return reloop less than. Okay, so like this we can complete equal to, equal to. So using one state only, here we can write like this, return reloop equal to. Then greater than or equal to. So greater than is here, equal to here. So it is given like this, 6 and 7. Then return reloop greater than or equal to. So we have to complete one more, greater than only. So that is given using the retract symbol star. Okay, other. So that is 8th step. So return reloop greater than. So this is the transition diagram for the regular definition. Reloop gives less than or equal to, not equal to, and equal to. Thank you all.